Hello students, welcome to third lecture of the chapter Admission of Partner. So today also we'll be practicing some questions based on new profit sharing ratio as well as we'll be discussing a new topic that is treatment of goodwill on admission of a new partner. So without wasting time, let's solve question number 9 of homework section of study material. Madan and Mohan are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 3 is to 2. Gopal is admitted as a new partner for 3/10 share of profits, half of which is gifted by Madan and the remaining share is taken by Gopal equally from Madan and Mohan. So very good question. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Come on, let's start solving first solution number 9. Okay, so new partner Gopal is admitted, right? So Gopal is admitted for how much share? For 3/10 share, right? Clear? Now half gifted by means gifted by Madan. So half. So what we do is let's take 3/10 share here and divide it here. Madan how much is giving? And then Mohan how much is giving. Clear? So Madan, what it says, let's read the question. Half of which is gifted by Madan. So that means 3/10 half, right, is gifted by whom? Madan. That means Madan will gift how much? 10 to the 20. That means 3/20 is given by Madan. Clear? Understood? Got it everyone? And remaining is how much? Come on, remaining is 3/20 only. Half is 3/20, so remaining other half is also 3/20. Clear? Now what it says, and the remaining share is taken by Gopal equally from Madan and Mohan. So now this 3/10 or 3/20 also half is given by Mohan, that is 3/40, and 3/40 is given by Madan. Understood or not? Let us be very clear. Total share is 3/10. So first half is gifted by Madan. So let's take half, that is 3/20. Now remaining is this 3/20 remaining by आधा. Madan ने दिया तो आधा अभी भी बचा है. So 3/20 is remaining. Now remaining's half is gifted by Mohan, and so again half which is remaining will be gifted by whom? Madan. Clear? So new share of Madan. So old share of Madan was, Madan and Mohan are partners sharing profits in ratio 3 is to 2. That means 3/5 minus Madan is gifting what? 3/20 as well as 3/40. Clear? So minus 3/20 and minus 3/40. Understood? So let's just calculate. LCM comes 40. 5 8s are 8 3s are 24. 22s are 3 2s are 6 minus 3. That means 24 minus 3 gives us 21, and 21 minus 6 gives us 25, right? So 15. So 15 by 40 is new share of Madan. Similarly, new share of Mohan is equal to Mohan's original share. Old share was 2/5 minus he is giving only 3/40. Got it everyone? So 40, 5 8s are 8 2s are 16 minus 3. 16 minus 3 gives us 13/40. And share of, yes, who is admitted? Gopal. So share of Gopal is admitted for 3/10 share, right? So 3/10 and multiplying numerator and denominator by 4, right? So yes, we get 4 3s are 12/40. Clear everyone? Come on, let's see once again what happened. See, total Gopal is admitted for 3/10 share. Now 3/10 share, out of this 3/10 share, clearly half is gifted by Madan. So 3/10 half is 3/20 gifted by Madan. So remaining comes कितना? आधा मदन ने दे दिया, तो अभी भी आधा बचा हुआ है. Remaining is half. So 3/20 is remaining. Now remaining is also half is given by Mohan. तो हाफ इज जो बचा हुआ है दैट इज 3/40 इक्वली लिया है उसने रिमेनिंग का भी, तो इक्वली यानी 3/40 फ्रॉम मोहन एंड 3/40 फ्रॉम मदन. तो अब मदन is in all giving how much? Old share was 3/5. He is giving 3/20 as well as 3/40. So subtracting 40 HCM, 5 8s are 8 is a 24. 24 minus 9, right? So 24 minus 9 gives us 15/40. Clear? Then we have next new share of Mohan. Mohan's old share was 2/5. He gives 3/40. So taking LCM, 5 8s are 8 2s are 16 minus 3, 13/40. Clear? Now share of Gopal is 3/10. So equalizing the denominator, we need to multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. So 12/40. So new share, new profit sharing ratio of, yes, Madan is to Mohan is to Gopal. Gopal is equal to 15 is to 13 is to 12. Clear everyone? And it's our answer. Got it everyone? So in this way we practice question number 9. Come on. Before studying or solving question number 10, let's study the goodwill treatment at the time of admission of partner. So see, what happens whenever a new partner is admitted, he brings his share of goodwill premium. Why he brings? Because he gets profit sharing ratio. He gets share in profit. So for that he has to compensate the sacrificing partner by bringing his share of goodwill. Understood? First of all, whenever a new partner is admitted, he brings two things. He brings two things. First, capital. Capital he brings because he wants to get right over the assets of the firm. Also, he brings premium for goodwill. Now, why he brings premium for goodwill? His share of goodwill. Because whenever a new partner is admitted, he gets what? He gets share in future profits. जो भी future में profits होंगे उसका share new partner को भी मिलेगा. So new partner has to compensate the sacrificing partners by bringing share of goodwill. Clear everyone? Understood? So two things are brought by new partner. Okay. Now first case is case 1. You can see when goodwill is paid privately. So when new partner comes and he privately pays, means nothing is being accounted for goodwill. So no entry will be passed because privately goodwill is being paid. It is not shown in books of accounts. So no entry has to be passed. Clear? But if privately it is not paid, when goodwill is bought in cash or check by the new partner and retained in the business. So new partner is bringing what? Cash, or he is bringing check for premium for goodwill as well as his capital. So what will be the first journal entry? Cash account debit, or we say bank account debit to new partner's capital account. He brings capital amount also because he wants to get right over the assets. And secondly, he brings his share of premium for goodwill. So two premium for goodwill. So what is the first journal entry? Cash or bank account debit to new partner's capital. Suppose new partner admitted is C. So to C's capital account, two premium for goodwill account. Now this premium for goodwill account debit, second entry, is taken by whom? Taken by both the sacrificing partners or sacrificing partners. In which ratio? In sacrificing ratio. This is very, very important. So what is the journal entry? Premium for goodwill was credited in the first entry. Second entry will be starting from the same point. Premium for goodwill account debit to sacrificing partners in sacrificing ratio. To sacrificing partners capital account. Suppose A and B both are sacrificing. So to A's capital account, to B's capital account, and amount to be distributed in which ratio? Sacrificing ratio. Clear everyone? So let's revise the two entries for journal entries for goodwill which we studied. When the new partner is admitted, he brings his share of premium for goodwill as well as capital, and suppose C is a new partner. So what will be the first entry? Cash account debit to C's capital account to premium for goodwill account. Clear? Second entry, premium for goodwill account debit will be distributed among the sacrificing partners in which ratio? Sacrificing ratio. So to A's capital account, to B's capital account in sacrificing ratio. Clear? Understood? Come on, let's solve question number 10 based on this concept. See, question number 10 of homework section of study material says A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. A and B gives half of their respective share to C. So A also gives half of their, A gives half of his share to C, and B also gives half of its share to C. C brings his share of premium for goodwill in cash. Goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 40,000. Past journal entries for goodwill in above case. Clear? So let's solve this question. Come on. First of all, we need to calculate here sacrificing ratio. So before solving the question or making a format, let's leave some lines for working note. Clear? Come on. So let's do working note here. Solution number 10 we are doing. So let's first calculate the sacrificing ratio, right? So for that, let's calculate mu ratio first. So what it says, A gives half of its share to C, right? So first of all, what is A's share? Share given by A, given by A. So A's old share is how much? 3 by 5, right? So 3 by 5, he gives half of its share. Of word is there. Of means multiply and then minus. So half share he gives, right? So share given by A is 3 by 10. Clear? So new share of A. Got it everyone? New share of A will be old share, that is 3 by 5, minus sacrifice. How much sacrifice he has done? 3 by 10 he has given to whom? Given to C. Clear? So just calculating A's new share, that is 10 LCM, 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, minus 3, that is 3 by 10. Clear everyone? New share of A, understood? Come on. Similarly, new share of B. No, first of all, share given by B. Share given by B. Given by B. Now you can see that B also gives half of its share. So B has share, old share of B is 2 by 5. It gives half of its share. So 2 by 10 it gives. So new share of B. New share of B is equal to old share, that was 2 by 5, minus how much given to C? 2 by 10 given to C. Clear? So new share of C comes how B comes how much? 10 LCM, 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, minus 2. That is 2 by 10. Clear? And C's share will be how much? C share will be gifted by A plus gifted by B. So A gifted 3 by 10 and B gifted 2 by 10. That means 5 by 10 is the C's share. Clear everyone? Understood? So new ratio comes how much? I am doing here. New ratio of A is to B is to C comes to be how much? That is A comes 3 by 10, B's is 3 by 10, B's is 2 by 10 and C's is 5 by 10. That means 3 is to 2 is to 5. A is to B is to C. Clear? Now sacrificing ratio. You know the formula, sacrificing ratio is equal to old minus new. Old ratio minus new ratio. Clear everyone? So for A we are calculating sacrificing ratio. So what is the old ratio of A? Come on, A's old ratio was 3 by 5 minus, now new ratio is 3 is to 2 is to 5, that is 3 by 10. Clear? 3 4 5 5, yes, 3 by 10. So LCM comes 10, 5 2s are 10, that is 3 by 10 only. A and B was old ratio was 2 by 5, new ratio is 2 by 10. 10 LCM, 2 2s are 4, minus 2, that is 2 by 10. So sacrificing ratio of A is to B is 3 is to 2. So we got that A and B are sacrificing, and in which ratio? 3 is to 2. Clear? Once again see what we did. First we calculated new ratio. So share given by A is half of his share, that means he gives 3 by 10. Subtracting from his old share, we get his new share 3 by 10. Similarly, share given by B is half of his share, so B gives 2 by 10. So giving 2 by 10, after giving 2 by 10, B's new share comes 2 by 10. and C gets 3 by 10 from A and 2 by 10 from B, that means 5 by 10. So new ratio is 3 is to 2 is to 5. Clear? Now sacrificing ratio formula is old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio is 3 by 5 of A minus B. A is new ratio is 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 and similarly B is 2 by 10. Clear? So 3 is to 2 is the sacrificing ratio. Come on, now let's pass the journal entries. Journal entries, date, particulars, LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. Come on, pause the video and you also simultaneously make the format. Come on. Now what has to be done? What question says? Let's go back and read once again. A and B are partners in ratio 3 is to 2. A gives half, A and B gives half of their respective share to C. C brings his share of premium for goodwill in cash. Only he brings his share of goodwill premium in cash. He is not bringing capital. Clear? Goodwill of the firm is valued 40,000. Come on. So first journal entry is he brings in cash. So cash comes in the business. Cash account debit to direct C's capital account we will not do because he is not bringing his capital. He is just bringing premium for goodwill. So to premium for goodwill account. Clear everyone? Cash account debit to premium for goodwill account. But how much? Being See, goodwill of the firm is 40,000 rupees. Let's just check. Goodwill of the firm given is yes, 40,000 into his share. Now share of into C's share. Right? That means 40,000 is goodwill of the firm into C's share is C came for how much share? 3 is to 2 is to 5. That is 5 by 10. That means into 5 by 10. Clear everyone? Understood? So how much? That is 5 fours are 20. Right? So 20,000 being 40,000 into C's share, that is 20,000 bought as premium for goodwill. Brought as premium for goodwill. Clear? So how much he brings? 20,000 he brings as his share of premium for goodwill. Clear everyone? Understood? Got it everyone? So how to calculate the amount? Goodwill of the firm into C's share. So C's new share is 5, 3 is to 2 is to 5. That means C has come for 5/10 share. Clear? So 40,000 is goodwill of the firm into 5 by 10. Got it? Come on. Now second entry I told you from where you end. You have to start from the same point. That is premium for goodwill account debit. Premium for goodwill account debit to sacrificing partner. Who are sacrificing? Both A and B are sacrificing to A's capital account to B's capital account. Yes. So premium for goodwill is how much he has brought? 20,000. Sorry. So 20,000 now will be divided among A's capital and B's capital in which ratio? In sacrificing ratio. In sacrificing ratio. So in sacrificing ratio that means 20,000 into sacrificing ratio we just now calculated here, that is 3 is to 2, so into 3 by 5. Clear everyone? So 5 4s are 4 3s are 12,000 for A and 20,000 into 2 by 5. That means 5 4s are 4 2s are 8,000 for B. Clear? So to A's capital account 12,000, to B's capital account 8,000, being premium for goodwill. Premium for goodwill distributed among sacrificing partner in which ratio? Sacrificing partners in sacrificing ratio. Clear everyone? Understood? So let's just sketch the lines. So second entry what we do, first we get cash account debit to premium for goodwill, second entry premium for goodwill account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. In which ratio? Sacrificing ratio. Clear everyone? Understood? So in this way we completed question number 10 of homework section of study material. Got it everyone? Understood? Yes, come on. Now let's solve question number 11 of homework section of study material based on the similar concept. Gold and silver are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:5. They admit copper on the condition that he will bring rupees 14,000 as his share of goodwill to be distributed between gold and silver. Copper's share in future profits or losses will be 1/4. Means copper is admitted for 1/4 share. What will be the new profit sharing ratio and what amount of goodwill brought in by copper will be received by gold and silver? Okay, so let's start doing the question. We need to first calculate new profit sharing ratio. So which type of question is this? This is case 1 question of new profit sharing ratio. As see, old ratio of gold and silver is given 2:5 and new partner comes for 1/4 share. That's it. No other information is given, right? So let the total share be, let the total share be 1. Then out of 1, 1 minus how much? 1/4 given to copper. Yes. So remaining is 3/4 is remaining share. This you know very well. 3/4 is remaining share. Now this 3/4 to be divided between A and B. So A's न्यू शेयर इज इक्वल टू जो 3/4 रिमेनिंग बचा है वो ए और बी ले लेंगे अपने ओल्ड शेयर में. दैट इज 2/5. दैट इज 2/7. क्लियर? 2:5. दैट मीन्स 2/7. So 3 2s are 6, 7 4s are 28. B's new share that is B's new share is 3/4 जो remaining था, and B will take how much out of it? 5/7 of it. So that means 5 3s are 15, 7 4s are 28. C's share I mean to say. So C has come for 1/4 share, right? So equalizing the denominator, and so we 28, so multiplying numerator and denominator by 7, that means 7/28. So new ratio of what gold is to silver is to copper comes to be how much? That is gold is, sorry, A, B and C I have written by mistake. So this is gold's new share, this was silver's new share, and this was copper's share. Right? So gold is to silver is to copper is 6 is to 15 is to 7. Clear everyone? This is our new profit sharing ratio. Understood? Got it? Let the total share be 1. Out of 1 we subtract 1/4, that has to be given to copper, so remaining is 3/4. This remaining 3/4 is to be taken by gold and silver. In which ratio? In their old ratio, that is 2:5. That is 3/4 into 2/7 for gold, that is 6/28, and 3/4 5/7 for silver, so 15 4 7s are 28. Clear? Copper share is 1/4. For 28 denominator, multiplying 7 in numerator and denominator, we get 7/28. Clear everyone? Understood? Now in this question, no need to calculate the sacrificing ratio, because I have explained you a trick that whenever there is first case of question, by default sacrificing ratio comes equal to old ratio only. That is, sacrificing ratio will be 2:5 only, where limited information is given, old ratio of partners is given, and new partner is admitted for this much share. Nothing else is given. In such cases, what happens? Sacrificing ratio, if you calculate also, it will come by default equal to the old ratio. Got it? So we are not calculating right now. We will directly go and pass the entries. So journal entries. Clear? So journal entries, first of all, first entry, what he brings, let us see what it is saying, that he will bring rupees 14,000 as his share of goodwill. That means he is only bringing goodwill, and directly his share of goodwill is given. Unlike previous question, in question number 10, goodwill of the firm was given. So we calculated new partner's share. But here directly is given he will bring 14,000 as his share of goodwill. So directly he is bringing 14,000 as premium for goodwill. He is not bringing capital in this question also. So directly first entry, bank account debit to premium for goodwill account, premium for goodwill account. Clear? Why 14,000 directly here? Because it's not stated that goodwill of the firm is this much. Clearly question says that he brings, Copper brings 14,000 as his share of goodwill. Clear? So 14,000 rupees being premium for goodwill brought by new partner. Clear? Come on. Second entry, this premium for goodwill account debit. Where we end, we have to start from the same point. Premium for goodwill account debit to, yes, old partner, that is sacrificing partners, that is gold's capital account, to silver's capital account, being premium for goodwill distributed among sacrificing partners in which ratio? In sacrificing ratio. In this case, by default, sacrificing ratio, that is sacrificing ratio will, but obviously come how much? Equal to old ratio, that is 2:5. Clear everyone? So come on, premium for goodwill, that is 14,000 debit. Now this 14,000 into 2 by 7 for gold, that is 7 ones are 7 twos are 14, 2 twos are 4,000, and 14,000 into 5 by 7, 7 ones are 7 twos are 5 twos are 10,000 for silver. Clear everyone? Understood? So 14,000 distributed among sacrificing partner, that is gold and silver, in which ratio? In sacrificing ratio. And but obvious in this question, old ratio will be equal to sacrificing ratio, so I'm not calculating it. Clear? Come on. If you want, you can separately calculate and see. Got it everyone? So in this way, we completed here question number 11 of homework section of study material. One understood. Got it. Come on. Let's solve question number 12 of homework section of study material. Pass journal entries to record the following arrangement in the books of firm. Okay. B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. D is admitted by paying a premium of goodwill of rupees 2,000 for 1/4 share of profit. Shares of B and C remain as before. So here also same concept is there. We have to pass the journal entry. Come on. So journal entry, directly coming to journal entry, leaving some space if some working note has to be done. So journal entry. Clear everyone? So come on. D and C are partners sharing profits in ratio to D is admitted by paying a premium of rupees 2,000. So it is also clear that D comes for premium for goodwill only. He brings how much? 2,000. Clear? So first entry, bank account debit. You can pass it with cash, but I have a habit. It's better you always write bank, right? So bank account debit to premium for goodwill account. Yes, how much he brings? That is 2000. Being premium what? By who is the new partner? That is C. Clear everyone? Understood? Let's sketch the line and just a minute. Come on, done here. Bank account debit to premium for goodwill, that is 2000. Come on, second entry comes where we end. We have to start from the same point. Premium for goodwill account debit 2. Yes, to what? To whom? To A's capital, to B's capital, that is sacrificing partners, to A's capital account, to B's capital account. Yes, so premium for goodwill bought is 2000. Got it, everyone? Now to be divided among A and B. In which ratio? Come on, this is also simple question. D is admitted paying this for 1/4 share. Simple question, nothing is mentioned. So old ratio will only be the sacrificing ratio by default. So 3 is to 2, dividing 2000 into 3 by 5, that is 5 4s are 4 3s are 12 1200, and 4 2s are will come 2000 into 2 by 5 will come 5 1s are 5 4 2s are 800. Clear? So being premium distributed, simple short narration I am writing. Clear everyone? Understood? So in this way we completed 12th A part. I have not calculated sacrificing ratio here, but because it's a simple case, in simple case old ratio by default comes as sacrificing ratio. Got it? So we did question number 12's first part. Now let's read question number 12, second part. B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio 3 is to 2. D is admitted paying a premium of rupees 2100 for 1/4 share of profits, which he acquired 1/6 from B and 1/12 from C. So it's question of from. So you know from means what? Minus. So here we need to calculate what? New ratio and then sacrificing ratio as well. Clear? So let's do 12th B1 solution. So what we'll do? B's new share. B's new share. So B's old share is 3 by 5. Right? Now he gives how much? 1/6 from B. D takes 1/6 from B. So 1 by 6 from B. Clear everyone? Understood? So 1/6 from B. So just subtract, taking LCM 5, 5 10, 5, 3, 12, that is 30 LCM. Clear? So 5 6 are 30, 6 3s are 18. Minus 6 5s are 1 5s are 5. That is 13 by 30. Then comes C's new share. C's new share, C's old share was 2 by 5 minus how much he gives? 12, 1 by 12, right? Clear? So come on. So 5 and 12, LCM now will come 12, 12 to 24, 12 3 are 36, 12 4s are 40, 12 5s are 60 only. So 5 watts are 65, 12s are. So 12 2s are 24. 12 5s are minus 5. That is 24 minus 5 gives us 19 by 30. Clear? And D's new share, D comes for how much? 1/4 share, right? Okay. Yes. So it is 19 by 60. Clear everyone? So equalizing 60 we want now. So 15 fours are 60. So multiplying 15 above and below, that is 15 by 60. Clear everyone? But here also it's 30, so multiplying 2 into 2. So that is 13 twos are 26 by 60. So new ratio comes 26 is to 19 is to 15. Clear everyone? Now we have to calculate what? Sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. So sacrificing ratio, we will be calculating first for B. So B's old ratio was 3/5 and new ratio is 26 by 26 plus 20, 36, 46, that is 45. 45 and 15 gives 60, right? 26 by 60. So LCM is 60. 5 fours are 12. 12 3 are 36 minus 26 gives us 10 by 60. Got it? And C. So C old ratio was 2/5 and new ratio is 19 by 60. 60 again LCM, 5 12s are 60, 12 2s are 24 minus 19. So 24 minus 19 gives us how much? Come on, 14 minus 9 gives us 5. That is 5 by 60. That is sacrificing ratio ratio comes 10 is to 5. That means 2 is to 1. Clear everyone? So first calculated solution is on the screen. See, B came for 3/5. Sorry, B has 3/5 share. He gives 1/6. See, D takes 1/6 from B. So from means simply minus 1/6. So we get new share, that is 26 by 60. Similarly for C also just subtract, we get 19 by 60 and D 15 by 60. So this is our new ratio. And sacrificing, you know very well, calculating old minus new. So just subtract old minus new and simplify it. So sacrificing ratio comes to be 2 is to 1. Got it? So now once sacrificing ratio is calculated, let's pass journal entry 12th B1. Journal entries, the date, particulars, LF, debit rupees and credit rupees. So first entry, let's see, read the question again. D is admitted paying a premium of rupees 2100 for 1/4 share. So directly here also premium amount is given. So what we do? Cash account debit or bank account debit to premium for goodwill account. He brings how much? 2100. Clear? Being premium by D. Clear? Come on, now let's sketch the line. Next, just from where we have end, we have to start from the same point. That is premium for goodwill account debit to, yes, premium for goodwill account debit to distribute among whom? Distribute to be distributed among the sacrificing partner. We saw who are sacrificing. B and D are sacrificing. Sorry, B and C in which ratio? 2 is to 1. So to B's capital account, to C's capital account. Here everyone, so premium for goodwill 2100 to be divided in sacrificing ratio, that is 2 is to 1, that is 2 by 3. 3 7s are 21. 7 2s are 1400 and 2100 into 2 is to 1, 1 by 3, that is 700. Got it everyone? So being premium distributed in sacrificing ratio. Clear everyone? Understood the concept? So here what we did, first we calculated the new ratio, 26 is to 19 is to 15 is my new ratio. Then we calculated sacrificing ratio, that is 2 is to 1. Then comes here, we pass the entry first, bank account debit to premium for goodwill 2100 and premium for goodwill account debit to sacrificing partners in sacrificing ratio. So let's sketch the line to end the question. So this way, today we completed 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th question of homework section of study material and we studied 2 journal entries for goodwill. Clear? Next lecture will be doing with new topic. Till then, bye bye. Take care.